excited because today I have a Boxycharm, and I'm thinking it's the Boxyluxe. It doesn't say it on here, but it's pretty big to be a regular Boxycharm. So, my name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm filming this on a Friday, so I'm not sure when it'll get posted, but whatever day I post it, please have an awesome day. So Boxycharm has their regular box that's $25. Then they have a premium box, which I'm still on the waiting list. I don't know how long I'm going to be on this waiting list. It's $35, and I've seen so many unboxings, and it looks well worth the $35. And then every quarter they do the Boxyluxe, and that comes out to like $49.99. Now you don't have to get the premium or the luxe, but I think you want to. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like the content and my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And I love comments, so please comment. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. So I'm just so excited to get into this box. I'm not sure if I've cheated on this box. I know I've cheated on the premium because I don't get it. And I'm like, I want that box. So you open it up and it's got your big Boxycharm and all your goodies in here. And they have a theme, and this month is whimsy. And then on the back is everything that's in there. So let's get into it. The first thing I see is Ritual of Sakura, and it is a foaming shower gel, rice milk and cherry blossom. I don't know if you guys have tried the foaming shower gels. I bought one, I think at Walmart or Target, because I thought it was a shaving cream. They're like, it said something like shaving. So I got it and I'm like, oh, it's a foaming cleanser, but you can double dip and use it as for shaving. So I am so hooked on them. They go on so light, and again, they're multi-purpose and they smell so great. So this is the first thing that I got. The next thing is Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Now I am using a Sunday Riley. We got like a water cream, and I use it as my moisturizer right before I put on my primer, and I absolutely love it. So this is what this looks like. Oops. It's got a beautiful container. And since I will be using it, I will be breaking into it. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Making a mess. So it goes on super light, if you can see it. It feels so light. As I said, I've been using the Sunday Riley one, and I absolutely love it. This has not a big smell to it, so that's kind of nice. So you're not mixing all the fragrance that come in all the different products you put on your face. So I do like that. Then the next thing is Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. I'm not gonna unwrap it, it's all wrapped up. And I think I've opened 3 boxes and each box had a setting mist in it. So I will put this on the burner to use that. The next thing is Melted Matte Metallic Too Faced Liquefied Metallic Matte Lipstick. The box is really nice, and who turns down a Too Faced product? I don't know of anybody, but look at the packaging. It's got this really neat packaging. And the color, wow, gotta try it out. Oh my God, can I just say it smells like chocolate? I know most of their products do, but I'm just gonna put this on and eat it off because it smells so good. Since I have the sheet here, I'll just go along. So we had the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and it's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture. This retails for $39, and it tells you, you know, where you can get them if you want another one. The, let's see, this face mist, this energizing face mist is the pick-me-up you need to get through the day, and this retails for $32. The lipstick, my little chocolate flavor retails for $21, and the shower gel that I can't wait retails for $9.50. So far, so good. And the next thing is the QMS Medicosmetics Lip Line Corrector. Okay, that's interesting. I have never seen a lip line corrector. And formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. Retail, hold on, I swear I'm not losing it. It retails for $200. First I thought it said $20, and I'm like, oh, what a great price. $200. I will be trying this. Hopefully you'll notice the difference on me, but $200. It's nice packaging, but yeah, $200. I'm holding a $200 item in my hand. Okay then, moving on. The next thing in the box looks probably a highlighter, because it's got that highlighter feel, and it's got my poppies in there. Okay, I'm trying to get it out. This is just like so exciting. Look at this beautiful case. And this is, hold on. I am so sorry. I guess I got so excited over that $200 item, I just started choking. So anyway, this is the Ciate Confetti Highlighter, and this retails for $32. I don't know if I've heard of this brand, but all I can say is wow. That is such a pretty color. Give it a try. You probably won't be able to see it on my hand, but that is really pretty. And there's stuff hidden under the bottom. This is a green grass. See what this is. All right, this is M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray, Beach Ear. We got a face mist. This fast-absorbing, multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving the skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Layer with M Greengrass hand and body for extra moisture. It retails for $36, and I'm thinking it might be an all-over body spray. We did get our face mister, but I'm thinking this is just an all over body spray. And the tag that I need to read is hiding. Spray and massage the oil directly onto your skin. For hair, spray the oil into your palms and run through your hair. For face, spray the oil into your hands and apply to your face. So I'm thinking, obviously you can use it on your hair, your face, or your body. And I'm not going to open it yet, but it says the fragrance is beach air, so I could just imagine what this smells like. And I think I told you, but that retails for $36. You know, I'm so used to $200 items. I don't know. And I think there's there's like 2 more things in the box. Now again, this box is like, just say $50, which seems like a lot of money, which it is, but being that you get all these products in there, if you just got this once a quarter, it is a great price. And Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. Okay, this is an eyeshadow because I've seen people open this. It's got a mirror, so I'm going to put the mirror down. And I've seen people do demonstrations with this eye. I'm not that talented with doing eye makeup. But I am going to wear this in a future video. But look at the colors. Now this thing is big, so I don't know if after you've used it, you can store things in it. So for those of you that have got it or can help me out, because it's pretty thick, and this is just on the top, but this alone is worth, are you ready? I know I'm not, because, oh, here it is. Storybook Cosmetics, Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose Palette. This retails for $55. So this is the price of the box. So I'm just loving the colors. You know, you get so many palettes in all these boxes, and you open them up and you can see when YouTubers open them, the disappointment on their face, because they're like, oh, great colors. But these are actually great colors. And there's one more thing in the box. And this is the Fresh Story Face Cleanser. And, oh, I saw it. Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. And it will clean off your makeup. This retails for $48. So the price of this box, I think they had it on here. I don't know. I think it was like over $350. I will put that all on there. I'll add everything up. But look at the size of the cleanser. It's for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. It's probably sealed up, so I won't be able to, yeah, it is sealed up. But this is a huge tube. So now that I'm just completely, I don't even know what the word is, surprised. So obviously the box is worth over $200 because we have the $200 fine line. Now, if this works and I drop 20 years off my life, I don't even know if I'd go spend $200, but I just can't wait to try this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. So yeah, I think everything is great. The highlighter, the eye palettes. So if you receive this box, I don't know if there's different variations of this box or not. I just love the box that I got. So please comment, comment, comment. I will also be leaving a link with a discount code. So if you haven't signed up for Boxycharm, this is a way to do it. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.